Hi, I'm Robert Flores from Mortgage Architects, and today we're going to discuss mortgage interest rates. As everybody knows, inflation seems to be screaming everywhere in Canadian prices, be it at the gas pump, at the grocery store, but most importantly in house prices as well. And it's very frustrating with my job that I have to listen to Canadians every day because they are frustrated, and I feel for them, and they're dismayed because as prices have increased, wages have not. In fact, my own two daughters have come to me and have said they don't think they'll ever own a house. So what can we do with this phenomenon? Well, the government is going to try to tame inflation or tame prices, and one of their biggest tools is by lifting interest rates. So let's discuss that. Number one, do I think mortgage rates are going higher? Yes, that's the easiest prediction in the world. How high? I'm afraid to tell you I'm not that smart. But let's discuss if you have a fixed rate and a variable rate. If you have a fixed rate and you have 2 to 3 years remaining, go to sleep calmly, you have nothing to worry about. But just to show you the phenomenon of fixed rates, what's happened is less than a year ago, a 5-year fixed rate was about 1.89. It's now over 2.89. So interest rates have been crawling up. This infomercial today is more about people who have variable rates, because as of this week, we do expect the Bank of Canada to raise their prime rate. So what can we do about it? If you have a variable rate or a line of credit, there's 3 things we can talk about. First thing is your psychology. Look, if you're going to be stressed and it's going to affect your health, and you're not going to feel well and not sleep, then by all means lock in. Your well-being is the number one thing you should be concerned about. Number 2, some way to beat the bank, and we encourage this quite a bit at our office, is can you make the payment at a fixed rate? So by increasing your variable rate mortgage to a fixed payment like a 5-year fix today, all the extra money, while you're waiting for the rate increases, go to the principal. You win. But there's a lot of Canadians, unfortunately, and mortgage holders who can't afford to really increase their payments. This message is mostly for you. What I'm kind of saying is be prepared. You may have to give up something in life because your mortgage payments will go higher. And if you're willing to ride it through, I suspect that it won't last that long. And this is just an estimated guess, is because the prime rate is there to help business people. And if we're going to ruin the economy, you could see that they're going to lower rates again. Look, this is Robert Flores checking out. But if you have any questions, please call our office. Thank you.